Hi friends, today I'm going to bake a delicious apple cake with cinnamon. First, take 4 large apples and peel them thinly with a vegetable peeler. Cut each apple into quarters and remove the core. Slice the quarters into thin pieces. And transfer them to a bowl. To keep the slices from browning, drizzle them with the juice of 1 lime and gently mix. In a separate large bowl, crack 4 eggs. Add a pinch of salt and 1 cup of sugar. Beat the mixture with a mixer until it becomes light and fluffy. About 3 minutes. Sift 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder into the egg mixture, continuing to beat on low speed. Gently fold the apple slices into the batter using a silicone spatula. Prepare a bundt pan by greasing it with butter and dusting it with flour. Tapping out the excess. Pour the batter into the pan, distributing the apples evenly. Now let's make a fragrant crumble. Combine 2 tablespoons of sugar with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Add 50 grams of soft butter. Add half a cup of flour and work the mixture with a fork until coarse crumbs form. And quickly rub until the mixture is crumbly. Sprinkle the crumble evenly over the batter. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit. And bake the cake for 40 minutes until golden. Check doneness with a wooden skewer. It should come out clean. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Then carefully transfer it directly onto a serving plate. Dust the top with powdered sugar. When sliced, you'll see juicy apple layers. And smell the cinnamon filling the kitchen. Serve the cake with berry jam for extra moisture. Enjoy your meal, friends. Let me know in the comments which cake you'd like to see next.